Good morning, children. Last class we have finished about plane angle and solid angle definition. Yes, a unit of solid angle and plane angle. Then what is a steradian, what is radian, difference between plane angle and solid angle. Next topic is clock. I think this is very easy topic. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. Am I right? Clocks are used to measure time intervals. So, many clocks were used from the ancient time. Scientists modified the clock's mechanism to obtain accuracy. So now types of clock based on the display. Analog clocks and digital clocks. Analog clocks means what this is? Using wall clock like that is. It is look like a classic clock. It has three hands to show the time. Hands clock, minutes hand and a second hand. Three hand is present. See, this is what a minute hand. This is minute hand. This is what a horse hand. Hour's hand. This is what a second clock. See now, see. It is a short hand and thick. It shows hour. Am I right? This is one. Next, minute hand. It is long and thin. It shows minute. Okay. Next, second hand. It is long and very thin. It shows second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Okay. Second hand. Three hand is the horse hand, minutes hand and a second hand. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically and electronically. Okay, next digital clock. A digital clock display the time directly. Okay, whether the digital clock means no hand, horse hand, minutes hand, second class is nothing present in the digital clock. Directly display the time. It shows the time in numerical or other symbols. It may have the 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent clock are showing now we are using now very advantageous clock all come date, day, month, year, and this is a temperature also. This is only digital clocks. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. Digital clocks called as electronic clocks. I give one mark also from this topic. Okay, you must listen carefully. This is digital clock. You know something, this is time, second, minute, this and all will give. This is only digital clock. It is present in the hand or second hand, minute hand. No, directly displays the time. This is only called a digital clock. Next, types of clocks based on the working mechanism. Next, see types of the clock based in working mechanism. Quartz clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillations which are controlled by a quartz crystal. Okay, the frequency of the vibrating crystal is very precise. So the quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. Okay, this is quartz clock. It is controlled by the quartz crystal. How like you working, see, the frequency of the vibrating crystal. Vibrating means what? Adirvel. It is very precise. So the quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanical clock. So the quartz clock is more accurate time than the mechanical clock. Okay. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Okay. Next, atomic clock. These clocks are making use of periodic vibration occurring within the atom. See, these clocks making use of periodic vibration occurring within the atom. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Atom clocks are used in global positioning system. GPS means global navigation satellite system. These are used. And the international time distribution service. Okay, I hope understood the topic. Thank you, children.